here at our neighborhood coffee shop. No bad days indeed. Actually, today is gonna be a good day. And it's gonna be a good day because I'm gonna meet Francis Kong, the motivational speaker, and I don't know, I just want to pick his mind. I just want to learn from him. I just want to get inspiration from him. Since na ginagawa ko na rin to, might as well be better at it. I guess in my case, being a leader or leading people. Anyways, kakagising ko lang. Supposedly, mag-golf ako. Pero nag-ring na yung phone ko kasi bigla na akong umalis ng bahay. Kasi nagising ako ng maaga. At sabi ko mag-golf ako, sisingit ako ng 9 holes. Bigla nag-ring yung phone ko si Camille and may pinapabili siya sa drugstore. So nung tinanong niya ako, "Where are you?" Sabi ko, "I'm at a coffee shop." And then sabi ko, "Why?" "Oh, can you pass by, go get some medicine and vitamins, blah blah blah." Sige, I'm just finishing my coffee and buy the medicine and give it to you. So hindi na ako mag-golf. Masunuring asawa, just in case naka-golf gear, baka lang. Pero kailangan flexible, diba? 2 minutes, uwi na tayo. Just soaking in. It's nice to wake up early in the morning and cup of coffee and stare in front of your car or your motorcycle or your bike or just the plants.
Say hi, Julieta. Say hi, Julieta.
We have medicines for Mom. That's why I went home and didn't play golf. This is our meeting place with Mr. The Francis Kong. Let us be a student today. We are here at Now. And si Chef Kim, what are you doing here? R&D, yes. So we have a collab together. And of course, the OG, Francis Kong. Actually, kanina pa kami nag-uusap dito. Ang dami ko nang natutunan sa kanya. Sobra. I-share ko na lang yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba itago ko muna sa sarili ko. Kasi i-process ko muna. There's Brian. Hey. Hey, Chef. Hello. Okay. So anyway, we have a collab together. Hi, Mars. Hi, Jones. Hello, Rachel. Ito na yung buong barangay. Ito na talaga ang Sarsa X Now. And we are making, well, they are making a Pares Machang. Pares Machang. This looks like a talong.
That's a hybrid.
Hybrid talong oyster cake. Collab nga. yung masarap?
Pwede na, parang soft next.
Or oyster cake. Ala now. Okay, this is 2 out of like 5 more.
May hinalo ako dito. Kasi in Bacolod, when we serve the egg, we always serve it with a broth.
It is 5 o'clock. We were here since 11. Well, 11 kwentuhan with Mr. Francis. And then ngayon si Chef Fiona. Uncle Sam, baka nanonood ka. Yung rims natin. Hindi niya pinanood. Si Uncle Sam. Kailangan makita niya. Diba Kim, sabi ko sa'yo, si Uncle Sam of Concept 1. Pamangkin niya kasi si Fiona. Diba sabi niya yung trailer daw natin, lagyan niya ng rims. Anyway, here we are. Medyo home stretch na, kaya tumatawa na. Kanina seryoso. And yung may-ari, nagsasmile na. Confident na siya sa product natin. So I guess we're off to a good start. This is what happens when Nao and Sarsa goes on a date. Or when if they have babies, it will look like this. I am having this amazing piece of steak after our R&D, and pagtalikod ko, iba na yung ambience. May customers na. Bike is the way here in Metro Manila. It's just that pili ka. Get stuck in traffic for an hour and a half to 2 hours, or be on a bike, pawis, amoy araw, pero not as bad. Half. I mean, you know, half the time. 2 hours or 1 hour. 1 hour na pawis. 2 hours, malamig, komportable, pero naubos yung kaluluwa mo. Second destination. First one was we went to the bank errands. I was in Mega Mall. Now I'm in BGC. Took me 25 minutes weaving through traffic, and yeah, so we are going to have a good meal. Alcohol is life. Kailangan may wipes talaga. Dito sa Manila or ibang parts ng Philippines na traffic, and pagdating ng tao, di ba example, meet kayo sa isang restaurant or meet kayo sa isang lugar, then pagdating ng tao, medyo may traffic face. Di ba meron hungry face or hangry face? Then meron rin, yun, naubos yung kaluluwa nila sa traffic. We are going here tonight. They haven't really opened yet. They're opening tomorrow. You know the feeling of opening a restaurant the night before? It must be pretty nerve-wracking and exciting. Wow, it's an actual restaurant. Galing. Do you remember? You guys remember Los Tacos? Hey. Hi. Congrats. Actual restaurant na, no? Kinakabahan na kayo?
Medyo.
Talaga.
Sige lang.
First staffy bago magbukas, no? Siguro ito na yung first and the last in a long time, kasi pagbukas wala na, tuloy-tuloy na. Ha? Busy na. Sa tingin mo maging busy kayo?
Yes.
Talaga?
can feel it.
Good problem.
Oo. Feel mo. Nice. May konting kaba, no? No?
Pero we're all excited.
Yeah.
Pag walang ka ba, might mean you don't care enough.
Tama. I will. Kanino birthday? Birthday mo?
Dito na po ako nag-celebrate yung birthday.
Hindi ka nag-leave.
Kasi dapat nag-leave ako birthday.
Okay. Gets. So, kumaga,
Kasama ko din po yung
bago mong pamilya.
yung family.
Tama. Good start. Nalala mo si Chef Patrick sa yung sa Magallanes, yung taqueria na feature natin na alfresco, yung katabi ng S-Lex. Yung Los Tacos na where he started in his house during the pandemic. Takeaway lang. And ngayon eto, may brick and mortar na siya. So anyway, kanina pa kami nagkwentuhan dito. And sabi niya, Chef, huwag na natin i-shoot. Kaya, pero sabi niya, Chef, do you want a taco? Sabi ko, yun naman talaga yung punta ko eh.
Sumayin mo na siya ng binabako na.
Ramdam mo yung passion sa mata, yung energy, yung ngiti. These guys aren't cooking for money. They're cooking from their hearts. And alam mo na may mga plano sa buhay eh. May ambisyon. And there's nothing wrong with that. My drive. Bakit? Dito tayo. Okay.
So we have our birria. May nasa tortilla. We have our fresh onions, some cilantro, and a little bit of dayap. The salsa rojo. Our icomais cabense.
Wow. Alright. So, how long was this cooked?
So for the lamb birria, minimum of at least 6 hours. And then for the masa tortillas, made in-house as well. We actually make use of corn kernels. Guys, we'll get to try our food.
Alright, sige.
Cheers! Enjoy!
Okay. Lagay. Wow. Ang bango ng dami. So soft and the flavors are there. Yung nag-develop na sa katagalan ng niluto. It's deep in a sense na naghihiwalay na yung mantika at parang nag-break down na lahat lang nilagay. Parang napisa na yung onions, yung tomatoes, kung meron man. Ooh, it's also very clean. In Manila, this would be the closest to Mexico City. Ayan, balik mo na yan bago magbago ang isip natin na dagdagan natin. Ito na lang kunin natin. Ito yung gusto ni Camille na gift for her anniversary. So it's Lojal dito sa travel club. Mahirap ang travel club puntahan kasi mabubudol ka. Tagal namin ito kasi tagal to naka-display sa Rockwell and tinitingnan lang natin. Siguro mga 3 tingin bago tayo nag-decide na kunin. So happy na.
Next ko dyan is the medium one. Pero kasi may medium one is still good.
So, bumili na lang talaga si Camille kasi nasira na talaga yung kanyang big suitcase. So, mga 2 years rin, 3 years rin, no?
Tagal na.
Oo.
Pandemic din.
Oo, bugbog rin kasi. Okay, sold. Let's go to Dubai. Itong kwento ng Nemo na to is kumain kami sa Tung Luan and then may nagbebenta ng balloon. And dapat bilang ko lang sana yung guard. Tapos sabi ni Camille, gusto niya rin. So, dalawang balloon na nabili namin. Happy lahat. Si Kuya, dalawang benta. And keep the change. I am gonna miss standing here with Chuleta. Because I will be gone. Mauna ako. Going to Dubai. And I just want to say thank you to UV Care. Laking bagay ka sa buhay ni Finn.
Yes, the best stereo dryer ever, I have to say.
Really?
Yep.
You're happy with it?
I've tried 3 and so far this is the one that I like the most. This is the one that Finn likes the most and I like the size. Kasha lahat. Tingnan mo if you open it.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Dami nga.
Everything is there and everything is clean.
Jo, I'm gonna miss you. Chuleta, come to Daddy. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna miss you. Okay? Be a good girl, okay? I'll see you soon. Oh, you stink, Chuleta. But I do love your smell. Okay, babe. Okay, Chuleta. Bye-bye, ha? Oh, this has been very, very, helpful. UV Care. Maraming salamat. Maganda rin to sa kotse, actually. Kung may time ako, i-plug ko nga to sa kotse. Pasok mo sa kotse, and then yun. It kills all the bacteria, all the viruses, and it leaves a nice smell. Alright. This is a big move. Since I'm gonna be gone for a while, I'm gonna UV light the car para matanggal yung mga viruses, germs, and babang. Super particular ako sa amoy ng kotse. So, flip it open like so.
Parang it has that parang cauterized smell after, no?
Is that how you describe it?
Yeah, parang...
Babe, start, then 30, 60, 90. Let's just
Can I see?
Let's do 60.
No, just 30.
30?
Kasi small area lang eh.
UV Care sterilizing
Pero
will begin in 30 seconds.
Okay.
Caution, exposure to
Go na.
UVC light may cause eye and skin irritation.
Wag ayaw natin.
Please leave the area.
Oh, the most important thing. Come here.
May cause eye and skin irritation.
I will bring it.
Please leave the area.
Let's leave the area first. Okay, unahin na natin to. Hinatid ako ng both my real dad, and my father-in-law. Thank you. This is a milestone. See you in a bit, Kuya. Kamusta? Nakuha mo pa rin yung shift na gusto mo?
Yes po.
Pang-umaga.
Gusto pa rin yung shift.
Naka-toothbrush ka na?
Opo.
Buti. Di tayo nagkita eh. Ingat. Bye-bye ah. Mabuhay. Bye-bye. Happy holidays. Pasko na, Pasko na. Morning.
Morning, sir. Welcome board.
Wow.
Nice to have you on board, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Wow, it's a tri-class. I think we're... Oops, sorry. Uy. 242 configuration yung economy. Hello, good morning. Galing, nakachamba yung Dubai ng
Yes, sir.
ganitong
Doon
class.
tayo, sir.
Doon sa harap.
Ah, sa harap.
May...
Minimum lang yan, sir. By the way, I'm sa...
Oh, thank you, thank you. Wow. Ito yung premium economy ng Philippine Airlines. Never pa ako nakaupo dito sa premium economy product ng PAL. And silipin natin mamaya yung economy. So normally this A330 configuration, they use it for their Honolulu, Melbourne, Australia routes. And for some strange reason, Dubai is having a taste of this beautiful premium economy product of Philippine Airlines. Pasites nga. Wow. Ang sarap. Look at the cushioning. Let's see the recline. Umaangat siya. Ooh. Wow. Oh, it's a good recline. Grabe. Parang lazy. Shit. Parang gusto ko lumipat pero downgrade, ano. Hello.
Morning, chef.
Tingnan mo mga ngiti ng mga tao kasi yung aircraft maganda eh, no? Yan. Hello. Maganda. Ito yung magandang configuration. 242. And the beauty is that you are entertained for the next 8 to 10 hours. Oh, ito. By the way, this photo is taken by my cousin, RJ Lacson from Bacolod. This is in Sipalay. And this guy is actually a friend of mine. His name is John Lao. And again, shout out to my cousin, RJ Lacson. Grabe, through the years, ari ka, puni mo na picture. Hi Liz, hello.
Hello.
Are you Ilonggo?
I'm my future husband.
Ah,
yes.
okay. Hence the accent.
Ay, nakuha na, no?
No, mayara na jutay.
Ano lang, fake Ilonggo.
Okay, what do we have today?
So we'll be serving after takeoff. We have the chicken blood of Fritanga. We also have the beef capsule rice.
Okay.
Advanced your cut.
You will have fish.
The fish for you.
Makauwi kayo for Christmas.
No, flying.
Flying ka?
Yeah, out. 24 talaga.
Ah, saan?
Going to New York.
Okay, okay.
And then coming back sa third New Year in. You have to choose.
Oo. So double. So doon na kayo magka-Christmas sa
Yes, Christmas.
Nasanay na rin, no? Part of the job, really. Yeah, ganun talaga. Yes. I mean, if we're in the service industry, baliktad yung holidays talaga natin. Habang kayo ay, yun, I would always say that to mga bago naming team members or yung mga gusto mag-chefs or gusto mag-flight attendant na baliktad ang holidays natin. Pero nasanay na rin. Alright, thank you very much, Ness. Oof. What a past couple of weeks or months in Manila. Well, the reason why I'm traveling by myself is because yun nga, Camille had a little problem, or we had a little problem with our baby's papers. All of a sudden, Dubai immigration has this new rule. Supposedly, we were supposed to travel together as a family. Well, in a way, I mean, it's nice to be here and, you know, enjoy this amenity and this experience, but at the same time, it's a milestone for us as a family to be with Finn, Camille. Doon kami sa gitna, tabi-tabi kami, tinitingnan namin si Finn. Ano mo yun? Tinitingnan mo kung okay lahat. Si Camille, lately, grabe. I mean, todo siya. But it is what it is. I have to Kaya mauna ako sa Dubai. I have to go there first to fix Finn's paper. Kasi basta, ang habang kwento. Basta, I have to go there, I'll fix it, and then they'll follow. First, let's do our ritual. Our bread and butter. But I will only eat half. Okay. Just to scratch the itch, kumbaga. Parang mas promising tong wheat bread. Kasi mas malambot. Para siyang pandesal. Eto, habulan natin ng feta. Pero hindi ko naubusin yung salad. Diretso main course na ako. Tapos tulog. Shout out to Chef Noel. As the new executive corporate chef of Philippine Airlines. Chef, I wish you luck. I wish you the best. It's not an easy task, but I guess yun nga, legacy, diba? If you're able to, you know, change and fix and make it better, then yun na yung legacy mo. And meron ka namang strong support or strong team behind you that supports you. And I wish you, no really, I wish you the best.
Hi, Chef, for your food, we have marinated pan-seared cod fillet. With vegetable.
Wow. Alright, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Yep, I sure will. Let us try this main course. Nice. Nicely seasoned. The cod is good. Nicely cooked. Shout out to Chef Noel, the new corporate executive chef of Philippine Airlines. I'm sure you're gonna find a way on just, you know, improve and just, I guess, be better every single day. As they say, diba, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be very, very good. But yung pinaka-importante is you get better. We get better every day. We learn from our mistakes. You know, if you make a mistake, own up to it. Wag yung ituro mo or sweep it under the rug. Face it. Then learn from it and be better. Yung lasa ng pasta, because of the cheese, it's just so comforting. Ang sarap ng tulog nito mamaya. This is one of the best ice cream brands in the Philippines. Loving the new packaging, guys. I slept for about almost 4 hours. Oh. And then when we arrived in Dubai, finish at 6:30 to be exact. Get out of the airport maybe around 7:30. My friend Ricky was picking me up, and then I'm gonna go for a midnight snack. So I got these new headphones, Sonos, really good. It wraps around your ear talaga, and you can't hear anything. Like, the noise cancelling is really good. Sound quality very like I started my headphone journey with a Bang & Olufsen, and then nawala. Grabe, nawala ko. Like, this was like 4 or 5 years ago. Naiwan ko sa eroplano. Grabe. Siguro mga 1 taon ko siyang dinibdib. Then finally, Camille got me. It's actually in my bag. So I have 2 headphones now. Finally, and then I was so sad. Bumili ako ng Sony. And then, okay naman. Pero I would always, paulit-ulit. Sabi ko, babe, no, yung isang headphones ko, no. Yung, alam mo yun, pag sa asawa niyo, yung paulit-ulit. Then finally, one time yung asawa mo, napuno na. And then, nireguluhan niya ako ng bagong Bang & Olufsen, and grabe. So, parang naging, hindi naman trauma, pero I'm so conscious na pag alis ko ng eroplano or wherever I go, dala-dala ko siya. And then Bang & Olufsen, super cool, like edgy design. You've seen them, right? Good quality too. I guess pa kanya-kanya. Parang depende sa mood mo, anong gusto mong look. May ganun, because they're both good. Ito naman, like, how do you describe the design of this? Modern, not as edgy, more like timeless in a way. Ito naman parang very, very quiet luxe. Yung isa naman medyo funky. I don't know. Going back, dami kong reflection. Lately, I've been learning a lot from Mr. Francis Kong. And, grabe, game changer. I guess, because, you know, chinecheck ko lang kung naka-record. Kasi kanina, pinlay ko. Kanina, minount ko. Salita ako ng salita. Wala naman pala nakuha. Kanina, while there was this junior officer sa PAL, like rookie, 26, 27-year-old, si Louis. He was helping me, and then nagtanong siya. He asked me a question about like my career, and in my mind, this kid's, you know, he is asking the right questions, but he was extremely introverted and shy. Sabi ko, yung trabaho mo ay to be a good communicator. Sige, thank you. Sabi ko, Louis, yung trabaho mo is kasi yung trabaho niya is to assist mga passengers. Pero he came off as parang shy and yun nga, very introverted. So I sat down with him and I gave him 25 minutes of my time and somehow knowledge that I've also learned from other people. You know, if Francis Kong gives me 30 minutes to an hour of his time, and so are my other friends, Toby Martin, sila Carlo, like, I guess what I'm trying to say here is that parang pay it forward. I am who I am now because tinulungan ako. And kanina kay Louie, yung pangarap niya daw maging flight attendant. Sabi ko, and nasa ground siya, basically. Meaning nagtatrabaho siya sa airport. Pero pangarap niya dito sa aeroplano. Sabi ko, Louie, may time ka, you are in the perfect position or place to learn from all these people you're dealing with. Kasi he's dealing with, like, you know, people assisting passengers. You learn from these people kasi these guys, hindi naman sila dumating sa kung saan sila ngayon sa buhay kung hindi sa diskarte, pakanya-kanyang diskarte. Merong old rich, meron bagong yaman, meron tipid sa pera, meron galit sa pera, merong simple lang. Alam mo yun, all walks of life. Pero dulo, I mean, you know, kasi basically nasa lounge. Dulo, nagtagumpay sila sa buhay. Meron pinaghirapan na pera, meron fast money, easy money. Pero yung saying na easy money, easy goes, okay lang, pa kanya-kanya. So, sorry guys, ang haba. Yan, so Louie, ang galing. I could see that Louie learned a lot. And sabi niya, Chef, thank you so much. And sabi ko, you know, 5 years from now, maybe we see each other. Maybe I see you on the plane or I see you still here on the ground. But it doesn't matter. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be better. You know, I've made so many mistakes. And now I still make mistakes. Lately, I made a big mistake. Then, pero yun nga, test of character when you flip it around. Hi, Cap. Uy, ang gwapo, no?
Uniform mo.
Ako rin.
Si Camila ko po.
Selfie?
A video to.
A video.
Ano nga first name?
Mike.
Thank you, Cap. Thank you. And thank you to everyone. Thank you.
And thank you for flying with us.
My pleasure.
Always.
Love you.
Thank you. Happy si Ricky Boy sa kanyang pasalubong. Umiyan ka? Okay man.
Yes.
And ito ng baby chair ni Finn. And okay, I have to admit, gamit ko lahat to. Welcome back to Dubai. Salamat Rick sa pag-asikaso sa aking baby and sa pag-sundo. Ang next nating puntahan, alam na, kakain tayo ng lamb chops. Ano na naman to? Hindi pa tayo nakarating ng shop mo, hindi pa ako nakauwi.
Trying out the new PIAA.
Ito yung bagong project namin. Binili ko sa Overland Kings and then kakabit natin dito sa ating LC. Thank you, Joel, for the idea. Ayan. Nasa Dubai na talaga ako. And I am back at my favorite Pakistani restaurant, Bakdar Bar.